Okay, so we're getting this ready to do a complete suspension arm refresh. This one's not been in too long. I'm going to do it anyway. I've got Lem Forder parts. I've spent the whole week plus gassing everything, just trying to get it as free as possible. I've already taken off the nuts on the ball joints and threaded them back on, and I've managed to get this, which you should just be able to see through there. Where's it gone? That one there. So that Torx T50 into the bottom ball joint. I freed that up and screwed that back in again. For some copper slip on there as well. It's going to be coming out within the next few days anyway. And like I say, this has been off and on. Troublesome one is the one up there. It's the same on the other side. You might have seen on my other video. This is just a little bit more of explanation. So I've chipped that round with a sharp chisel for about 10 minutes. Only very gentle, just a very gentle hammer. We're not talking a 2-pound club hammer, just one of them basically. Just chipped it round just to maybe agitate the rust that's in there. As I said, it's already had plus gas on it for probably 3 days now. And then I come up with this. In order to get the pressure up into the T50 socket, I can't do it myself pushing upwards, so I've just used my jack. I've got an old extension socket in there on the end of my T50, and then just my drive on a bar. It's worked on the other side, so I'm hoping it's going to work here. So pump the jack right up. This tension there is really strong. Basically it's lifted up the complete hub assembly by about 1 centimetre. So now I'm going to give it a go. Just focusing up there, hopefully you'll see it turn. And there we go. Let's just zoom in on that. It's starting to go, which is great. Very gently now, because I don't want that to slip out. Obviously as I'm undoing it, the tension is getting greater, so it should help it. And there we go. I think we'll put a little bit of plus gas in there. So again, apologies for the wavy camera. It's a bit difficult to do it with one hand. I'll just put a bit on the thread up there, not much, just a little bit. It's probably not going to make any difference, but it makes me feel better. There we go. Now, suffice to say, I am not going to use this. And again, I've got new Fevi Bilstein ball joints. So I'm going to use one of the nuts, which I'm going to use in the new one anyway, and replace this one. So this one's coming off completely. Might be able to do it now with just the... And at this point, I'm probably going to lower the jack and see if I can get it off by hand, because there's probably only a few more threads on this, and I don't want to damage the thread in the hub itself. So we'll let this down. There we go, see the hub moving now. And then we'll try and get that out. There we go, I think that's going to be finger tight now actually. So some light up there. Dead. There we go. Great stuff. So that's out. Let's get my bearings again. There we go. And there's the hole. So I'm going to clean all that up anyway. Let's have a look at this. I think I'm very lucky to get that out. I think only the pressure of the jack has enabled that to get out. So when we compare it to the new one, which is in the boot, so there's a new one. And there is the old one. So threads are okay, but obviously why Land Rover put a Torx head in there, I do not know. And I hope that was helpful for someone. Like I say, I'm going to put that new bolt back in now. I'm then going to put it all back on his wheels, and I'm going to just drive it around and measure the distance from the centre of the hub to the top of the wheel arch, so that when I do the suspension I know what position I need to put the arms in to nip them up finally, otherwise the bushes will wear out. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks very much.